informative videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video we are going to see how to register as remote pilot in Telangana. Telling can highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now if you are a new user, please click on the sign up button. So now then you have to log in with your email ID, password, then select the profile and then click on the login button. So after that, please enter the receipt OTP. Against the enter OTP from email and then click the verify button. Now enter the receipt OTP against. Enter OTP from SMS prompt and then click the verify button. Then we will reach the CAPTCHA for security check page. Please enter the given CAPTCHA as appropriate and then click the submit button. Next, we should process the page prompts for the section. First, ID details. Second, ID details, education, date of birth, street address, pin code as appropriate, and then click on the preview button. Now, click the create profile button to get the declaration screen. Now, the pilot profile is created. Please click on the go to the dashboard button. Then we will reach the dashboard. Please select the add your training record option under your add your training record. So next, you have to click on the start adding button to get a page with select FTO. From this point onwards, we should provide and upload training, institution certificate, and other prompted details as applicable. Then we should upload all the necessary documents and then click on and then use the continue button to each section. Once reaching enter training details and add section, please complete the section with relevant details and click the final finish adding button. Please go to the details and click the submit button to get the declaration screen. Now, we have to complete an online requirement and have to wait for approval from DGCA as per standard operating procedure. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation may issue the remote pilot license through the Digital Sky platform within 15 minutes. Then we shall check their email and mobile SMS for the department notification. Upon notification, the candidate shall obtain the remote pilot license as per applicable norms. And in below section, we are mentioned the fee section, so please scroll down. So we should pay the requested fees for the training program. Also, you can check more details related to the procedure in below each section. Here, they are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the department and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. So which is very useful for you. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.